What's up? Today I'm gonna teach you that how to make $1,000 in a day in an ice cream truck, guys. So that's the first thing is you need a ice cream truck like mine, like this.
Sen ne olur lan böyle?
Okay. Then you need mix, ice cream mixes. Okay. And you need some sprinkles and that kind of stuff. I have 10 flavors in my truck and it's like vanilla, chocolate, these are soft ice creams, and I have Italian ices like cherry, mango, coconut, blueberry, rainbow, something like this. And I have sprinkles, too much sprinkles. Let me show. How is it? Like I have this is inside my truck, guys. I know that it's so cute. And I have marshmallows, gummy beer, like everything here. Like it's closed right now. I will open it when it's rainy right now. So I can make money in its rainy day also. Like in summer, it was like too much people is buying ice cream because it's so cute and ice cream is so nice, and I have 10 flavors like you can see on the images also. I have too many things: coconut, caramel, rainbow, granola, chocolate sprinkles, chocolate syrups, peanut, honey, cookie crunch, chocolate chip, marshmallow, gummy beer. I have everything you need. And also I am eating all day these stuffs: ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, and also milkshake. You don't know how to make milkshake. It's making with ice cream. You are putting ice cream to the kettle, no, not kettle, mixer. You are putting the ice cream, you are putting the milk, and which flavor do you want you can add. I have strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, and cookie cream. I have cookie crunches when I'm making cookie crunch milkshake. I'm adding that cookie crunch, and I'm putting some little bit chocolate syrup, little bit caramel syrup, and little bit coconut. It's been perfect cookie and cream milkshake. When it's vanilla milkshake, it's easy. Like you are putting just vanilla and milk. Chocolate, just chocolate ice cream and milk, and little flavors like chocolate syrup, like chocolate sprinkles. I'm putting because it's been more better. And people love this car. Like everybody is coming to the truck and everybody taking photo with it. Like because it's pink and it's like a culture in USA, like till 1920s. So this is my daily routine. Let me tell you how to start this business, okay? First of all, you will buy this truck, okay? And it's like minimum $20,000, $30,000, this truck. If you buy this truck like all white, like with no nothing on the outside, no paper, no shows that flavors or anything, you should print them and put them however you want. It's all about your creativity. In the morning, I'm going to garage and it's connected with the electric in the truck, okay? Because I'm putting in the night to the electricity and I'm taking it in the morning, okay? Then I'm taking off the electricity, I'm starting the generator, it's in the back of this, and I'm starting it and electricity came, and I'm coming the most expensive place in New York you can see there is Fendi over there, or Y3, MCM. Like in the corner there is Louis Vuitton. Like other brands, Longchamp, Kendra Scott, Molton Brown, Emmy, like whatever you want. Every brands are here, so every people is coming here that can give a t-shirt $200. You know what I'm saying? They are going to the brand shop and they are buying a t-shirt for $100, $200, and they are coming to my ice cream truck and I'm selling them a waffle cone, for example, $8, a regular cone $6, milkshake $10, for example. Yeah. And also girls love it. Like some girls telling me that, can you give me some sprinkles? Like, and I say no, I'm just working right now. I don't care, I can't give you sprinkles. However you want, okay, whatever. Then I took the truck in the morning and I came here and I'm putting the mix in the machine, okay? In under the machine. Let me teach you how is this machine. This is for vanilla, this is chocolate, this is mix. It's giving it from here, okay? And these are my cones, regular cones. These are my waffle cones and cups, like however you want. These are the sprinkles. Then I'm putting. So first you need to put mix, okay? Mix is inside this machine, okay? You are opening this, and I don't know. Can you see there is two big thing? One of it for vanilla, one of it for chocolate, and my milk is here for the milkshake. I'm putting the mixes. It's in the fridge, and it's creating the ice cream inside the machine. Also, I have fridge here. These are my Italian ices, like every flavors, like cherry, lemon, mango, cherry mango, coconut, rainbow, pineapple, lime, blueberry, whatever you want. But not blueberry, bubble gum. Yeah. Oh, I eat here a blueberry cake this morning and that was so nice. When I'm eating it, first of all I bought the tea, then it was like zero taste. It was just taste like water. They put little bags, tea bags in the water. I don't remember what was the name of tea, but that was just taste like a water, you know. It was not. Then I changed it. I bought a coffee. I asked for salep. It's like salep in my language, and I translated it. It's salep too in English, but I asked them. Someone was drinking salep, and they said we don't have salep. Maybe its name is different. Put it to the comments. I'm really curious about it. What's that? It's making with milk. It has density. They put that orange flavor on it. What was this? It's like a salt, but orange salt. It tastes tarçın. I don't know what's that in English. And it's salep. That was smelling so nice, but I couldn't drink that. But that cake was so nice. Cake was beautiful. It was with blueberry. When I'm eating it, it's my every bite. When I'm biting it, I taste different things, like eggs. I taste too much different things that was inside. It was good actually. It was $4. coffee also. Tea was $4 too, and I was so angry that I gave a hot water $4. Then I changed. I'm going to the brands also here. Like, yeah, let's talk about the brands, like big brands after this. This video's topic is ice cream. So, 10. I will tell you 10 things to being the ice cream guy, okay? First, you need a $20,000-$30,000 and buy an ice cream truck. Then you need a garage for park every night with electricity. Second thing, you will rent it. Then you need everyday mixes, milks and sprinkles. You need lots of them because it will finish every day. You need to put it again. Fourth, it's milk. Milk should be, you should buy new milk every 2 days, 3 days. 5, you need to check the machine every time it's working or no. You need to sometimes fix, but it's good one. If you don't have ice cream machine in your truck, you should buy one. And it's like 2,000, I think 3,000 maximum, the ice cream machine. That's it. All I need is this machine actually, and this truck. That's all. Okay, 6. You need good design in front of on the truck. It will be pink, and it can be anything else. It's all about your creativity, and you don't have to sell just ice cream. You can sell whatever you want. There is a brand named Waffle, and I don't remember. They are selling the waffle and the waffle name on it. Put the comments it. Just let's remember and let's learn. They have just a truck. They was making waffle in the truck, and they start to get this job bigger. Like it's like big waffle brand right now in USA, and they start with that truck. They start to do it. So it's actually it can be so futuristic. It's about your creativity, like I said. That's it. And you will sell all day. You will make give 5, 6, 5, 6. For example, like you are giving just $5 regular cone you are selling. Let's think like this. You need 200 regular cone you can sell in a day in summer. And they are buying also milkshake and waffle cones. They are more expensive. And you are making 1,000 in a day. And can you imagine when you be an engineer here? They are giving like maximum 8,000 for month, and you are wearing every day this jacket and like uncomfortable things, not like hoodie, not oversize your style. You are wearing the same uncomfortable things, and you are going every day. Your boss telling you do this, do this. It's not nice, bro. Just buy a truck and sell whatever you want, you know. Yeah, that's it. And you are making 1,000 in a day. Just work all summer, and in the winter just lie down. Just go wherever you want. Just do whatever you want. That's the best job, I think. It's like so much enjoyable. You are meeting new people every day, and too much people, and you are not working all your life for anyone else. You are just selling your ice cream whenever you want, or your food, whatever you sell. It's like so enjoyable. So buy a truck and start to sell, and you create your own brand if you can do. Like, it's perfect. I'm waiting on the window and I'm with my iPad. I'm also designing something, some clothing, and I'm just drawing something, and someone come and ask me that I want ice cream, and I'm giving an ice cream in 2 minutes. That's it. I'm still continue to drawing whatever I like. It's not like a work, you know. It's like just chill work, and you're making good. Yeah, that's it. You can do this. It's a perfect and enjoyable job for you. In my country, it's not exist. Like, there is no trucks like this for selling food. They have small carts for selling. And you have this in your country, and it's like good, you know. You can do whatever you want with these trucks. So if you have any question about these trucks, just text me from Instagram. Here is my Instagram, and I can answer you however you want. Yeah, that's it. It's a. You can also comment to the video. Like, I will answer if it's not too much, you know. This is my first video. Yeah, this is the ice cream truck. How it works, I showed you. And yeah, that's it. You can do it. Love you. Bye.